Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Luna controller. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. Let's start with the top of the box. Here we can find the controller preview and same on the bottom. Right here we can find some specification and informations. Built for delivering the best gaming experience with Luna Amazon Cloud Gaming. Connect controller directly to cloud or to compatible devices via Bluetooth. It comes with 2 AA batteries. Now let's proceed with unboxing. As you can see, at the top of the box we can find the controller itself. Let's place it on the side for a second. Next we can find manual and 2 AA batteries, because this controller does not have rechargeable battery. Next, let's take a look at the controller itself. Controller has similar to Xbox layout. 2 sticks, D-pad, X, Y, A, B button, microphone button, menu, screenshot, and home button. Here we've got USB-C port, that is for connection, not for charging, because this controller has batteries instead of rechargeable battery. As you can see, the controller has special texture that can help you improve the grip and reduce palm sweating. Controller is also equipped with headphones jack, and here we can find LED connection light. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.